Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. What if a person having thick beard? Should a thick beard be washed all in wuzu or a part of it? So the answer is, if it is thick and the skin cannot be seen through it, then it is obligatory to wash the outer part of a thick beard within the limits of the face. And it is sunnah to wash the part of the beard that falls beyond the limits of the face, and it is also sunnah to pass a weighted hand through the beard. And if it is thin and the skin can clearly be seen beneath it, then it will be obligatory to get water to the skin under the beard within the limits of the face.